Hey everyone, before we dive in today, I just wanted to sort of set the stage a bit. So you might notice that today's video is a little different than I usually post. But I've been in a bit of a sentimental mood. It's not that I'm feeling down or gloomy. I've just been reflecting on some deep topics. Now, recently I had the opportunity to have some incredibly heartfelt, meaningful conversations with really important people in my life. We've talked about really serious things like when life doesn't go our way, and as we get older, the things that we have to start thinking about, and everything in between. The conversations coupled with my introspective journaling that I always do, and the discussions that I'm having in our spiritual group have just stirred something up. So I wanted to take an opportunity today to just share some of those thoughts and some of the reflections with you. And, it's been a journey of self-discovery and contemplation. And I do believe that what's on my mind and in my heart is worth sharing, and yours too. So grab a cup of tea or a coffee, get cozy, and let's have a short conversation together. I hope that you do find it valuable and meaningful. And let's dive right in. Intro, dooby-dooby-doo. Intro, it's Vicki Marie living life. Hello, everyone. It is so good to have you here. Today, I wanted to have just a heart-to-heart conversation about something that's been weighing on my mind. Now, this morning, as you know, I like to write in my journal, and I was jotting down some thoughts. And I realized something about the journey of aging. It's not easy getting older. We all struggle. Even though we might try to put on a brave face, it's not so much that we're afraid to get old. It's about not wanting to be perceived as weak or vulnerable. That's what I think. We want to be seen as capable and strong. And the truth is, as we age, and even when we're younger, life isn't always going to be about being strong and capable all the time. It's about acknowledging our vulnerability as human beings. It's about leaning into each other for love and support and community. We're not meant to walk this journey alone. We're meant to live in connection with others. You know what? That doesn't mean we all have to agree all the time. It's about allowing each other to be ourselves, to be different, while still embracing the love and the support that we need from one another. I'm reminded of the importance of being honest with ourselves and with each other. It's not about being weak. It's about being authentic. And that's what I wanted to share with you all today. We're all in this together. And, whether you're in your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, or beyond, we're all on this beautiful, messy journey of life. And it's okay to admit that we need each other. It's okay to lean on one another for support and understanding. And as we navigate the complexities of aging and just being here on the planet, let's remember to be kind to ourselves and to one another. Let's embrace our vulnerability, knowing that it's a beautiful part of what makes us human. And let's continue to build communities where honesty, authenticity, and love are celebrated. Thank you for just being a part of this conversation. Your presence here, it means the world to me. Let's continue to uplift and support each other as we journey through life together. And until next time, take really good care. And remember, you're not alone, and you are loved.